Hello and welcome to another video of Gizbot. This is Karan Sharma and today I have Coolpad Cool 3 Plus. The company has launched this smartphone in India recently with a price tag of 5,899. So here we are with the smartphone to unbox it and see what's there inside the box and how this smartphone performs. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is the packaging of Coolpad Cool 3 Plus, and here we have some specification on the box. So it says that it comes with a 5.7-inch HD display with water drop notch, MediaTek Helio A22 processor, 13 megapixel rear camera, dual security with face and fingerprint scanner, 3000 mAh battery and Android 9 Pie. Apart from that, it also gives you a 2,200 rupees of instant cashback from Jio. So without wasting any time, let's unbox this device and see what's there inside it. So the very first thing we get in the box is the Cool 3 Plus. Let's keep it aside and see what's there inside the box. We have one hard case over here. We'll keep it aside. Some quick manual, a screen protector, warranty card, and here in this section you have the micro USB cable, a SIM ejector tool and a charging adapter. So let's keep all this aside and boot up the device. So let's boot up the device and see how the device performs, and meanwhile let's unwrap this. Wow, so this is really amazing. The rear back is looking very decent and very colorful at the same time. It comes with a single rear camera with 13 megapixel and a LED flash and a fingerprint scanner. While looking on the left, you have a SIM ejector tool, and on the top you have 3.5mm jack. On the right you have volume rocker keys and power button. Down there you have speaker grills and micro USB port to charge your smartphone. So let's start this. Yes, so the smartphone is finally booted up, and here it is. The UI is very easy and simple, no rocket science in it. It comes with a Android 9.0 Pie, and it also have a water drop notch. The phone is very handy and the design is really impressive in the first go. So let's go to the settings section and see what are the specifications this phone is coming with. So this smartphone comes with a 3GB RAM and with a screen resolution of 1520 x 720. It comes with a dual SIM and an internal storage of 32GB, but that can be expandable with a micro USB card. So let's head to the camera section and see how the camera performs on the smartphone. So let's go to the front camera and let's check the rear camera also. So this is how the rear camera performs. The edges are clean and it's decent. Let's see the front camera performance. Front camera performance is also decent, and what else you expect from a budget segment smartphone. So let's see what are the features we are getting with the notification panel. So here you have Wi-Fi mobile data which are default. You also have a screenshot, flashlight and airplane mode, hotspot, and that's all for the notification. So you also have the game booster over here so that you can add your games and play it directly from there. Meanwhile, you also have the power saving mode, and the attractive part about the smartphone was the rear bag, because it don't comes with a finger magnet, so you need not have to worry about cleaning it again and again. So that's all for the first impression and the unboxing of the smartphone. So this is the first impression and unboxing of Coolpad Cool 3 Plus, and this phone has really impressed me a lot, but wait for it because I'm going to use this smartphone for a while and get back to you with a comprehensive review. So till then, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from Gizbot. This is Karan Sharma signing off.